What's good? What's good? What's good, my beautiful people? It's your boy Jay. Luxury Hustle Mentorship, the opportunity plug. How you? What's goody? What's good, guys? It's Saturday. Just shooting a quick little video as I'm taking some rides here, leaving the bank, leaving ATM. Leaving a good old ATM, but I wanted to shoot this video today because I wanted to talk about ways that you can really make money online, guys. And forgive me for being scruffy today. I just said I'm gonna shoot a video today, man. When I decided that I was gonna make these runs, so I'm just gonna shoot a video. I ain't shot one today, so I'm gonna just shoot one. So forgive me for being scruffy, man. I do apologize, but this is still normal work, guys. Okay, never let nothing get in the way of you being able to, shoot videos, or you being able to promote your business or make money. That's one thing I'm gonna always, talk to you guys about doing. I'm trying to think if I want to take this way. Yeah, we're going to get on the highway because I want to go this way. But one way that I wanted to talk about making money, guys, was actually through affiliate marketing. There's a lot of ways that you can actually make money online, like with surveys, e-commerce, as far as selling different items online. So those are a lot of ways that people will make money online. But one way that I chose to do it was actually through affiliate marketing. And for you guys who don't know what affiliate marketing is where you're able to be a part of a program or get reseller rights to a particular program or organization or company, and they'll actually pay you a percentage of a commission. Okay, and that's what I actually choose, and that's what I'm talking about today. Now, I'm actually involved in a company where they pay you a 200% commission, which is $80 to $90 per referral. Now, what they have is that they offer over $150,000 worth of benefits that protect you and your family on and off the road. So, there's going to be a list of those particular products that I'm going to have on a link that's going to be right at the bottom. But just to cover some unlimited roadside service, pretty much everything that's pretty much range under roadside service, credit card protection, legal representation, discounts for rental vehicles, discounts for hotel stays and things like that. Just to name some of it, man. But when you partner with the company, they pay you $80 to $90 per referral. When you go out and tell someone about the membership, or the benefits, or if you just say, hey, for someone that may be looking to make just an additional income online, it's something that they can do or be a part of, or a company that they can be a part of. So a lot of people really jump in this business because it's a big thing. It's like I said, you can make some good freaking money out of the program. Get over here, man. They got so much roadside stuff over here, man, too. I mean, like, they're working on the roads. But there's people that go out and they make $80 to $1,000+ a week because they go out and they refer so many people. There's no cap on how many people you can refer a week. Okay, so the paid week is actually tonight is Saturday. So if you were to get in today, you would actually have by midnight tonight. And then tomorrow starts a new week. So once it starts tomorrow, then you have all the way into next Saturday, and then you'll get paid out next Friday. So everyone that gets a sale by tonight, then you're gonna get paid out next Friday, this Friday. Okay. So I'm going to be honest up front. Not only do I tell people about this program, I also like to explain how people actually make money in the program. And one of the ways that we make money is that we have marketing systems, something that actually does all of the selling and telling for you. So if someone requests information regarding your business, then you can give them your marketing system link, and it's pretty much going to do all of the explaining about the business. So if someone decides they want to join, it's going to give them a link to join. If they do not join, your marketing system is going to follow up with them and build a relationship with them. It kind of makes your job a lot easier. Okay. Now we're going to give you training as far as how to market your marketing system. So how to get eyeballs, because the more eyeballs you have on your business, the more money you're going to make. So that means to give you opportunities where you can follow up with people, where you can reach out to them, text them, call them. So we give you a lot of things in the marketing system. Okay, now there's going to be different marketing systems that you can choose from. So it's not just one thing that you can choose from. So when you partner with me, I'm going to give you options. I have a marketing system that's a one-time $45. Is it $49? I haven't paid for mine in a year. I'm just gonna say this: it's $50. Okay, one time $50. Okay, and you have it for pretty much as an annually payment, so you don't have to keep paying on it. Now, here's the thing with that particular marketing system: you will need a autoresponder, something that does the messages that follows up. So you're gonna have a monthly payment with an autoresponder. So when you join MCA, it's $5 a month, guys. $5 a month. Okay, so $20 a month. But when you join up front, it is your first and your last month payment, so $40. Okay. Now, if you add your marketing system in, like I mentioned, the one-time payment for the marketing system, and then you have to go and get your autoresponder. Then your autoresponder is going to be, depending on who you get. It could be under $30, $20, depending on who you use. Now, if you choose not to use that particular marketing system, I do have one that has everything in it. Follow-up messages. You can build multiple pages, multiple marketing systems. It pretty much goes for any company, and I have one specifically built for MCA for you guys. Okay, so that company, it pays you a residual income. Okay, so when you go out and you promote your main business and the marketing system, you're also going to get paid a $25 residual income. So not only are you making $80 per referral with the main program, you're also making a residual income with the marketing system of $25, guys. And both companies pay out on Fridays. So paid on Fridays. You need to really get paid on Fridays with us, okay? Now, when you join me, I'm going to give you access to my bonus training, okay? It's going to be for Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, pretty much video ad marketing. Video is what I love to do. It's one of the best ways that you can market, okay? So I'm going to give you free training on that. So when you jump into this business, you're going to have training with the marketing system, and you're going to have training that I'm going to offer you as well. So my goal is to help you succeed, okay? So I'm going to wrap this video up, guys. I want you to succeed. Click the button at the bottom to check everything out. If you have questions, there's going to be a link that you can reach out to me, and we can definitely get in touch, man. Any questions that you have, reach out to me, okay? So this your boy Jay. I'm out. I want you guys to have a beautiful and blessed Saturday. So again, forgive me for being scruffy, man. I was just shooting this video because I was just making a quick run. But I wanted to talk to you guys about a company, man. If you're really looking for a way to make 6 figures, you can definitely do it. So I'm going to leave a link, man. Check it out. I'm out. Peace.